Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be looking at how do we fix a part of the drawing that is not being sectioned to the liking that we want, all right, or to our desired requirements. Now, here I have a drawing on the board, on the screen, and I sectioned the first part, and I wanted to section this little part right here, right? So let me show you what that I go to my section, hatch, I selected my pattern, and look, when I click in here, if I click the borders, it was going up in this side, and this is not what I wanted to section, right? I wanted to section this, this boundary here, all right? So I kept trying and trying, but it didn't work, right? So let me undo it and show you what was the problem. So I observed that down here, right? See down there, it wasn't closed, right? So what I'll have to do to fix it, I would have to close it so I can extend, extend this one, enter, and I'm gonna trim off the excess, right? All right, so we're gonna go back now and do it now, okay? So we wanna section this little part here. So we're gonna go now hatch, select our pattern, and look now, it's supposed to work now. There. All right, so what I've done, I've use the join command to join these two lines. So look, if I click on it now, it's one unit there, okay? So we're gonna hatch it now. Right, there it is. All right. So I've sectioned the part that I wanted to be sectioned. All right, good. So there, I've sectioned the complete square that I wanted to be sectioned. All right. So thanks for watching, and that brings us to the end of today's video. So in today's video, I showed you how to get a part section if it wasn't sectioned into how you want it, right? The lines were enclosed. I extended them to meet, but the problem still persists. And what I did, I used the join command to join it lines, and there I have the entire square being section, right? So if I select this line, these two lines are now one by using the join command. So take care until we meet again. And in the next video, we'll be looking at orthographic projection. So see you then. Take care until we meet again. Thanks for watching the video. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.